Yes.
First of all, good morning.
A very good morning. How are you?
I'm doing good. And what's about your morning? Because your
I'm
eyes
very
is looking um, different.
why?
I don't know. I think you awake. I think 5:30 or 6:30 in the morning. I think so
Yes, 6:30. Correct.
because your eye looks something different.
Yes.
So I asked you,
Yes. Yes.
where is your
Now
son?
he's sleeping now. Now I'm finishing all my household work. That's why a little bit
I I think
tired.
he had joined toddler school,
Yes. Yes. He's joined playgroup. Correct.
and I think he have win a trophy also. I think.
Yes. In school.
First of all, congratulate for your
Thank you so.
son.
Thank you so much. Now he is sleeping at around 12. He is going to school.
Okay. So there is no topic, but I want know some opinion. Like I have a daughter and you have a son. Okay. And
Correct.
you know, when you go to the market, you can find so many things for the girls. But when you are going to the market, there is a limited things for the you can say boys.
Yes. Yes. Correct. Absolutely
Okay.
right.
Sometimes you think that if I have a daughter, that what will you do with her?
Mhm. Correct. It's happened with me always when I go to market and I saw lots of dresses and like band and anything. That time I
Mhm.
think I purchase it. I like this, but I have a daughter in my sister-in-laws. So when I saw something different that time, I bought it.
Okay. You know, I have a daughter and she is in fifth standard. So you can say this time I can talk so many things with my
Mm,
daughter. Sometime we will talk in like fashion things, fashionable
mhm.
things. And right
Yes.
now she is growing. So
Yes, it's
uh,
correct. When we have a daughter, that time we are sharing each other, and she told me, "Mama, it does not look like good. This type
yeah.
of thing we can share to each other." But like boy, he is not interested of this. Mama, if you want, that we can do.
So that was the main thing. When you have a
Yes.
daughter, she always tell you, "Mama, you look very good." She
Mm-hmm.
always told, "Mama, this is in the fashion." But you have a son. But right now he is very small child, so
Yes, yes.
he can't tell you. But after I think three, when he will become 10-year old, do you
Mm-hmm.
think he will also tell you like a
No,
daughter?
no, no, it's not possible at all. He's busy
Yeah.
on playing. Busy on laptop. He's doing on her work. So I don't think he's to
Right
tell
now
me.
he is I think 2 year and I think 2.5 year old. I think.
Yes, 2 years, 3 months.
Okay. So something different thing. Like boys are doing something different rather than girls.
Mm-hmm.
Right
Yes,
now he's
it's
very small, but I want to know.
mm-hmm. Yes, it's happened. Everyone says, girls and boys are both are same. Not there is no difference, but it's a difference. There are lots of difference. I saw
Yeah.
it
So I want to
because
know.
when girl is not doing like atpata thing like don't go outside without permission of mom. He's now very little, but in boys case they are do correct. He is doing very naughty type.
Okay.
I told him don't do this, Betu, don't do this. Again, he's when I saw my eyes in big that time he Mama is angry now.
But I have seen a main difference. Most of the boys like Spider-Man.
Yes.
Spider-Man, you know,
Hmm.
gun. But most of the girls like dolls.
Yes, yes, yes. It's major difference. Doll, like Burton's
Doll
kitchen
house,
set.
kitchen set.
kitchen
My daughter
set.
also loves. And right now she's right now in fifth standard and 9 year old. But she loves dolls also at this
Mm-hmm.
age.
Yes, yes. But in boys, they want to like bat and ball and this type of thing.
Yeah. And their interests are very different from the girls
Mm-hmm. Yes, correct.
in eating manner also.
There are mostly girls are like dresses and different band and
Yeah.
like and but boys are not like they are like simple one t-shirt is good for
Yeah. Where I go to the
but
market and I always watch in the shop
Mhm,
different colorful, some frocks, some midi, and
mhm,
crop tops. There are so many
mhm,
things. But when I observe the boys section, there is
mhm,
always shirt, pants, some t-shirt, basic.
mhm. When we are wearing one suit in one function, after that we are not wearing this suit again this different function.
Yeah.
But boys are not doing this type of things.
And when we wear same dress, but we always want some customize. Like
Mhm,
sometimes we also paste some brooches also. Some
mhm,
brooches. If I am wearing a sari, like in Hindi we can call Sidha Palla. And
yes.
when I want that I should look different, then I will give that sari Mumtaz style. I can give. There are so many different designs. But when I think what the boy doing, they always wear shirt, pant, or
Yeah.
t-shirt, or in the same way.
Like one different thing like kurta and jeans and nothing else.
Yeah. And a very major difference when I am going in a marriage function. There is, I think, maximum two. Two trolleys are only of me and my daughter. Now she has also their trolley also. Elsa trolley she has also. But my husband always have only small trolley bag.
Yes, yes. Yes, when we are going to outside that time, Mike, he is now very little though. That's why I'm collecting more clothes of fashion.
Hmm.
And apart from this, all the clothes of my husband is two and three t-shirt is enough.
Yeah, I have seen this. Boys also want two, three enough. But girls, matching dupatta,
Yes,
matching
yes.
bindi, matching
I think
dangle,
everything.
all things should be matching, matching.
We are not comfortable in one shoes and one slipper.
Yeah.
We have one, two, and three. But in boys' cases, he wants, "Arey, chalega, don't worry."
And I am right now mother of a daughter, but still I am loving the doll. I never like batsman and some dangerous character.
So, do you play with your daughter in like kitchen set and
Yeah,
doll?
definitely. I always play.
She is cooking with you with your like different thing, Mama. Let me eat.
And today I have made two chotis because when I was a school girl, that time two chotis were compulsory. You should make two bread. But right now concept is changed. But
Mhm.
I sometime I want that she should make two bread also. So today I made two bread. When her teacher saw her, she will feel very happy that Ojasvi you have made two bread because in my time two breads was compulsory.
Yes, yes, yes. Correct. Crying when he go to school, but when he
Oh,
was in school, that time he adjusts and plays a lot.
now he is crying or not?
Yes, now he's crying. When he go to school,
Always cry.
yes, he's. I think he's gone to school last 4 to 5 days.
Okay, because I think in first video you have already told you when you have joined the school, you are you cry a lot, and this
Yes,
thing happen again.
yes, happened with my son.
Okay, but I
Keep
think
pampered.
after
Get
15 days he will be settled.
Yes, yes. After 15 days, he will settle.
and he will make so many friends.
Yes, it is very good for
That
making.
he told you that he have made some friends.
A little bit. He not saying anything.
You never asking that beta
Yes,
how is
yes. I'm
your first
asking.
day? How is your day
I'm
today?
asking every day. When he came to home, I'm asking what your ma'am says. What do you do in school? Which type of thing you can do?
Has he
He's
finished? Has he finished all lunch
yes,
which you
yes,
are given?
yes,
It's
yes,
a very good habit because
yes.
most of the children never, eat.
No, no, he ate.
Yeah, but
His
this
teacher
time all the school teachers help the children that you should eat full.
Mm-hmm. Yes, teachers are very helpful. They are sitting around the children and they are eat lunch.
Yeah,
Okay.
and this topic was very good because girls' upbringing is very different and the son's upbringing is very different, and they have different interests.